Hey everyone, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're putting the Mikolo 150-pound home gym right under the microscope. You've probably seen the sleek marketing pictures online, but we're here to give you an absolutely impartial, BS-free evaluation of what to actually expect when it shows up at your door. We want to help you figure out if this is your ultimate home workout solution, or just a fast track to buyer's remorse. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is the absolute bottom line right out of the gate. It's best for people who want convenience over maximum lifting performance. But it might not be the best fit for taller users, really strong lifters, or anyone who just absolutely hates complicated assembly. We're setting a baseline of complete honesty here, so you know exactly what we're dealing with from the jump. So here's our roadmap for today. First, the all-in-one promise. 2, key features under the hood. 3, real-life gym performance. 4, hidden traps in assembly, and trust me, you'll want to hear that one to save yourself from a costly mistake. And 5, the final verdict. All right, starting with section 1, the all-in-one promise. Convenience over complexity. The massive appeal here is literally swapping out a room crammed with separate benches, clunky racks, and heavy plates for just one unified station. The Mikolo combines chest, back, arms, legs, and core training all into a single steel frame. Because it uses a selectorized weight stack, you aren't burning your workout time loading and unloading plates, you just move a pin. It's a total game changer for drop sets and quick full-body circuits. Plus, this guided multi-station design creates a much safer, beginner-friendly environment. If free weights kind of intimidate you, this structure gives you a lot of peace of mind. But what does all-in-one actually look like sitting in your house? Let's anchor this abstract idea with some hard numbers. You're looking at a depth of 75 inches, a width of 36 inches, and a height of 80 inches. For a machine that does the whole shebang, that footprint is actually incredibly compact. It's designed to tuck away quite nicely into most standard basements or spare rooms. Listen, here is a major warning for you though. Do not just measure the footprint of the machine itself. You absolutely have to measure your room, the ceiling height to make sure you have clearance, and seriously, the path from your front door to your workout space. With fitness equipment this heavy, the biggest mistake people make isn't buying the wrong product. It's buying the right product and then realizing there's literally no way to get it through their hallway. Moving right along to section 2, key features under the hood. Let's see if the hardware actually matches the hype. So what are we actually dealing with here? The beating heart of this setup is a selectorized stack coming in at around 150 to 154 pounds. You've got dedicated press arms for chest movements, plus high pulley and low row options for your back. It usually comes with attachments too, like D handles, a short cable bar, a lat bar, and a tricep rope. But hey, quick tip, always double check the specific seller's listing before clicking buy, because the exact included accessories can vary pretty widely. Which brings us to section 3. Real-life gym performance. This is where we shift from what the machine has to what the machine actually does. Expectation versus reality. When you sit down and get to work, there's a pretty clear divide in performance. The upper body workouts, they're genuinely great. You can bang out steady, controlled pull-downs, rows, and presses that are excellent for building basic muscle. But we really have to contrast that with the leg training. The lower body stations are good for light work or rehab-style training, but they absolutely will not match the feel of a heavy-duty commercial leg machine. You've got to manage your expectations there. And this brilliantly illustrates the point. The leg extension gives you guided, moderate resistance. It works perfectly fine for general toning and warm-ups. But if your main goal is building massive tree trunk legs, no, this isn't a replacement for a 45-degree commercial leg press. It's a super convenient addition, sure, but not a primary leg builder. All right, section 4, hidden traps and assembly. Basically, your setup survival guide for the most dreaded phase of buying heavy fitness gear. Look, real buyers have made it perfectly clear the diagrams can be, well, incredibly frustrating. So here's your survival guide. Step 1, lay out all your parts and check the hardware first. Do not skip this. Step 2, read ahead, and whatever you do, don't fully tighten the bolts immediately. The frame needs some wiggle room to align properly. And step 3, grab a friend. Please don't try to be a hero wrestling heavy steel by yourself. Okay, let's do a rapid-fire sequence addressing the absolute biggest anxieties people have right before hitting that buy button. First up, is a 150-pound weight stack actually enough weight? The short answer, yes. For beginners and general fitness enthusiasts, it is plenty. If you're just starting out, you're gonna get a fantastic workout. but it's a hard no for serious strength athletes. If you're an advanced lifter who's used to heavy rows or massive chest presses, you are going to max out this weight stack incredibly fast. Okay, next crucial question, and this is a big one for any compact fixed design machine. Is this a good fit for tall or broad people? So the crucial point is this. If you are 6'1" or taller, or if you just have a particularly broad frame, you need to exercise caution. The fixed seat position and the machine's movement path might feel pretty restrictive. Compact home gyms have to squeeze a ton of body types into one frame, and super tall users often find that resulting range of motion just awkward.
Next up, let's ask the ultimate expectation question. The main reason most of us look into a home gym anyway. Can it completely replace a commercial gym membership?
Let's bust the myth that one compact machine equals an entire massive gym facility right now. It replaces general fitness routines beautifully. If you want to stay active, tone up, and save a ton of time, you can totally cancel your membership. But it absolutely cannot replace advanced bodybuilding or heavy powerlifting setups. You simply won't get those specialized angles or the heavy progressive overload of a commercial gym. Finally, Section 5, the final verdict. Let's bring all these facts together into a clear purchasing decision. Let's break this down as simply as possible. Buy it if you're a beginner or casual lifter, you want fast guided workouts, and you really need to save space. On the flip side, avoid it if you're an advanced powerlifter, you're over 6'1", or you absolutely require commercial grade leg training. Now, if you are leaning toward buying, let me remind you of the final hidden traps of ownership that start the exact second those heavy boxes arrive at your door. Always double check the exact model version and seller. Scrutinize that return policy, because repacking a 150-pound steel machine into torn cardboard is a total nightmare if they have strict return rules. And don't forget to factor in hidden costs, like heavy-duty floor mats or even hiring someone to assemble it for you. Now, what's really interesting about this final breakdown is how it perfectly balances value against its limits. Consider it if you want a convenient, all-in-one home gym for general fitness. But wait, or choose an alternative if you need heavier resistance or better adjustability. It recognizes exactly what this machine is and what it isn't. Which leaves us with one last highly provocative question for you. Are you optimizing your home gym for maximum convenience, or are you optimizing for maximum strength progression? I really challenge you to clearly define your true fitness goals before you spend a single dollar, because if you know exactly what you're training for, you'll